This is the Grylls Survival Tool Pack, part number 31-001047. As you can see, it comes with an instruction guide that you read front and back. It has a very nice multi-tool. Stainless steel, weather-resistant components. Comes with a flashlight. They all fit into this rubber case as a fire starter. You can see the tool in the pack is a little under 5 inches. Let's take a look at the multi-tool. It has 12 functions. It's a needle nose pliers, a regular pliers, a wire cutters, a half serrated, half fine edge blade, a bottle opener, a can opener, scissors, a nail file, a Phillips cross screwdriver, a small flat screwdriver, and a saw blade. Tool overall is just under 6 inches. As you can see, it fits nicely in this case. It has a strap on the back and the front to hold the tools in and to fasten it to your belt. Very nice multi-tool. All the components lock into place with this safety lock. Flashlight's made out of anodized aluminum and will run for 4 hours. Another great product from Gerber and Grylls. Thanks for watching.